Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Chainlink is also like many other cryptos, or pretty much all cryptos, in this wave 2 correction after Chainlink made a new all-time high in May 21. And here we can see very clearly why I always say that the crypto market has been in a bear market for over a year. Because if you look at the Chainlink chart, you can clearly see that this wave here, this peak in November, was a corrective move up. It made a lower high and therefore clearly shows that we were already in a correction. Bitcoin, for many people, still very unclear. Many people still see this here not as a corrective wave up. In my opinion, it clearly was. This was the November all-time high, but the wave count suggests a wave A down, a wave B up, a wave C down, and the wave B is a corrective wave. It is clearly a 3-wave structure. Yes, you can interpret 5 waves into this if you really want to, but the fact that most altcoins didn't make new all-time highs in November and that wave B purely can overshoot, that is not a problem. My view is that also Bitcoin started the overall correction already back in April 21. And that just gives you the idea that we are already in a bear market and that we have been in the bear market for over a year, which, then a lot of people obviously expect a year-long bear market. And my view is we've already been in the year. We've seen the year already, which doesn't mean it needs to be over now. It could still carry on a bit, but we've already done a year. Yeah, bear that in mind. But yeah, this is Chainlink, obviously. So let's take a look. We are here in the last wave. It's a WXY pattern, this correction, a more of an extended correction or more complex correction. And in the WXY, we are in the last wave. We are in the Y wave. And within the Y wave, we are also in the last corrective wave, because the wave Y consists of an A, B, C structure. And we are in the wave C. And within the wave C, we are wave C consists of 5 waves. So here we've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're in the 5th wave. And in this 5th wave, where are we now? So you can see that also the wave 5 consists of 5 waves in itself, and I can currently count it already as, well, there's 2 possibilities now. We've dropped so much, we fulfilled all my requirements as well. And this was the overall target area anyway here for Chainlink. In yellow, between the 88.7% FIB level and the 78.6% FIB level, that is where when you normally have a correction like this in the crypto market, any young asset in a wave 2, because the WXY I've just shown you is part of a wave 2. The all-time high was a wave 1. The wave 2 then is a corrective wave. It's the answer to the impulse that led to the all-time high. So we are in a wave 2, and the wave 2 consists of WXY. And in such a wave 2, you normally retrace down quite a lot. And that is why I already gave you in November the target, or December, the target for Chainlink between $6 and $11.30. And we came perfectly into this region here. Chainlink briefly dipped below the target area on the 12th of May, came back into it, hovered around, danced basically on this 88.7% FIB level, now made a lower low. And this is exactly what we waited for, because we counted this as a wave 3. This year as the wave 4. It, by the way, hit the target area. I first thought it would go down in a triangle, but it then moved up. I gave you the alternative target area. We came into it. Very strong reaction to it. Coming down, making a lower low compared to the one on the 12th of May. Well, actually, it didn't make a lower low. It did come to the same level, okay, which is fine, And here, the correction with a double bottom could theoretically be over. But what we want to wait for is confirmation, bullish confirmation. Currently can't see it yet. This currently still, while this could become something bullish, it could also just be a corrective wave. So I need to closely observe this. I will observe this even closer if we move above the $7.15 level. At the moment, it clearly cannot be confirmed yet that this is already a breakout. Chainlink, I already mentioned here, when we moved up into this wave 4 target area, that this could become something quite bullish. It looked quite good, that chart. But I told you as well that we would need to get above the wave 4 target area to make it work, and we didn't. Okay, so confirmation was missing. And again, we see some kind of a yeah, a more bullish wave 4, I would nearly say here. If this is a wave 4, equally the correction could already be finished for Chainlink. I don't believe that. Yeah, I'm still leaning for lower prices, but I think Chainlink is really, the chart looks quite strong. We've already moved back above the 88.7% fib level here at $6, which is quite good as well. And however, this is still currently all in line with the expectation for a wave 4, because if I look at the retracement for this wave 4, you would expect it to go, well, not higher than the 50% fib retracement, and that is at $6.86. If it goes higher, it's just quite unlikely. It's still a wave 4, and as long as it stays below $6.86, the 50% fib level, I'm okay with this, counting this as a wave 4. If it goes above that, it needs some closer attention, because at any point in time, you need to understand that. It, by the way, also hit my target area here. Yeah, touched it though. This was the longer term area here. Yeah. Then I gave you a target for the wave 4 here, which it hit. And then I gave you a target for the wave 5, which it hit and found a reaction to it. So somewhere in here between $2.45 and $5.25, yeah, or $5.30, I do expect the overall correction for Chainlink to be finished. Currently, it saw quite a strong reaction to it. I currently still think this is a wave 4, which means there will be another wave 5 down, but it is not a must anymore. Chainlink did enough, and we now need just to wait for bullish confirmation, a bullish reaction. And yeah, you know, also here, if we go above the previous swing high at $7.13, that would be another bullish confirmation. And what we always want to wait for is an impulsive move up, up 5 waves to the upside, indicate that the downtrend is broken and we're getting back into an uptrend. That is what we want to see. Currently, the picture isn't very clear yet. This, for me, still looks very corrective, but it certainly could be something on which we build something. So it is interesting, yeah, because this could be like a 1-2. This would be another 1-2, but yeah, something needs to happen now to push that further up, and then we could be quite confident that the low might be already in. But I'm also very honest with you, we retraced, or we corrected down so much that it needs serious effort to, yeah, really get confirmation, right? I mean, certainly it's all about, you know, step by step building confidence, right? I gave you that 50% fib retracement level, gave you the previous swing high, but I think I wouldn't get really confident about Chainlink finishing the correction as long as we are still below the wave 4 here at $9.66. But again, any small sign, and when I have more confidence, I will certainly make you aware, not only in the videos, but also the channel members on Discord and Telegram, that we are on our way up. At the moment, I don't see it yet. This could very well be still just a corrective wave to the upside before we come down once more in a final dip. Okay, that is my view here about Chainlink at the moment. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.